Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are having an overview of the Zabbix. So Zabbix is what we are using for our infrastructure monitoring, and then we are going to integrate Zabbix with the event-driven Ansible. So not to waste much time, we will just head on to data collection and then host. So I can't go through all the installation and the configuration of Zabbix, but I just do my best because Zabbix is a whole course on its own. So for me to go through all would take quite some time. So I expect that you have a little understanding of how to use Zabbix. So without wasting much time, I have my devices over here. I have core switch 2, 1, P2, and then P1 as well. So starting from P1, let's see the configuration. So it's fairly simple. So I have the name configured for P1. I have the SNMP parameters also configured over here. And then here I'm using the macros. So macros are input variables for Zabbix for storing data. So when you head on to macros, we also have inherited macros so that these macros are picked from the devices based on the template. So that's the template over here. So back to the host, as I said, it's a very simple configuration. You can look up on videos on how to configure and use Zabbix, but basically we're just using something very simple. And I'll close this one, and then we can check the macros. I think it should be somewhere here. Administration, I think, right? Macros, yes. So I defined this macros over here. So this macros is basically for my devices. That's the SNMP community string that I'm using for the connection between my Cisco devices and then my Zabbix server. So we can verify from here, from our notebook. So as you can see, I have SNMP configured on all these devices. Okay, so this is the route reflector. I didn't add a route reflector to the monitor devices. And as you can see, I have a very basic, simple configuration over here. So the community is just read only, and I define the host and I attach the community to the host argument, or let's say the host command. And I also have the traps enabled. So by default, I'm enabling all traps from the device to the Zabbix server. So not much to discuss, as I said earlier. So I have all my hosts over here. Then once you assign a template to a host, you're going to get the items and triggers already populated. So basically, this is an overview of Zabbix and how I did configure it to pick SNMP traps or receive SNMP traps from our infrastructure. So in the next video, we will look at how to um, set specific triggers, which will be very helpful and we are going to need it for the event-driven Ansible. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.